Hello, this video is for we are adding on to one switch and one PC. Before we check like this all working and replying from the network, so we can open the desktop mode and it's work fine. So we adding on one switch and one PC to check is another IP address. So we have to choose this route switch here and select a PC for this and connect to the straight through patch cable to fast Ethernet to here, and one here for PC to here. And okay, so this is basically the network, and it's look like cables are connected and it's look like green. So we have to set up the static IP for this PC2, and is configure the network default gateway for this. So click here, go to say desktop, and here 192.168.2.120, and subnet mask is class C, default gateway is 192.168.2.1, and save this configuration here and checking here what's going on. So then we have to go here and configure the router. So first we check here what is the internet is connecting. So just like here it's the FA01 port, so we have to configure FA01. So no for dialog and config, so config T, so INTER FAC interface FA0/1 IP address 192.168.2.1 255.255.255.0 subnet mask and enter. No shut command, shut, and to see if it's working. So it's look like is up. So we can go here and check too also if it's on the wrong or right. So this is for the first PC default gateway, and here is the default subnet mask for the first PC, and it's on. So we can go here and we can check is on. So all is configured is green, but we have to check is getting the signal from this one. So click here and command. So we go here. So 190.2, and it's applying from the, and after we have to go back and check the default gateway for 2.1 IP address, and it's replying from. So both PC receive and sending the signal to each other. So we have to go here and we can check with the packet tracer. So it's like here. So we can select here one and to here to check it's like they're receiving the packet. So just on simulation, play, and close this one. and it's look like both PC communicate each other. But same thing, if you like to add mini PC, if you want, depends on, you can add the PCs, like you have to do same thing here. So go back to real time, and same thing, you choose another PC and you add on to here and connect to the patch through cable here, patch cable to switch here, and it's green, and you have to set up the static IP for this PC. So this one you have to make sure, check which one on this. So this is 192.168.2.120, so should be two network. So when you click here, desktops, and here you have to change the static IP for this PC, 192.168.2.128 for example. So, and same, you have to set up the same default gateway, 192.168.2.1, and just save this configuration, and it's look like both working, right? So we have to check with the ping command, is this working or not. So this IP address is 128. So we have to go here, run command, and here 128, and just enter, and it's waiting, and it's reply back. So it's look like we received the packet from this PC2. Same, we can add another PC on this switch, so both should be work fine. So this is the one router and like two switch and two PCs working on the different IP addresses. So you can add on if you like to, or same thing, when you want to set up the interface of the router, you have to set up the default gateway for your service provider. So basically, default gateway is like communicate to the all PCs each other, so they all working fine. So same thing, I will add my next video. So like the two routers with the two different IP address, and like two switches, and like 4 computers. So this will be the more understanding, so you know how it's communicate with, because this is only the one, but the next one, it should be the router connect to the serial port. So it's like I'm working on the other one. So if you like this video, just please like and subscribe, and let me know if you need anything, or if you want something, just so I can upload for you. Thank you.